fast, it's sleek, and it's electric. XPeng has just shocked the EV world again, and this time, it's with a sports sedan that brings the heat like never before. Meet the new XPeng P7, China's answer to the Tesla Model S, with more power, more attitude, and styling that might just make Lamborghini nervous. Yeah, you heard that right. While American buyers might not get a taste of this machine just yet, the latest reveal from XPeng is turning heads across the globe. And trust us when you hear what's under the hood, or should we say, under the floor. You'll understand why. Let's break it down. First things first, the new P7 is making its world debut at the upcoming Guangzhou Auto Show. And although it's not slated for US release, it's important for us to pay attention, because what XPeng is doing could be the future blueprint for EV performance sedans worldwide. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the redesigned P7 screams performance. This isn't just a facelift. XPeng's designers have gone full throttle, pulling inspiration straight from high-end exotics. Think clean lines, aggressive stance, and those Lamborghini-like vibes that are hard to ignore. It's longer, wider, and lower than before. Almost like it was chiseled by the wind itself. Now here's where things get spicy. Contrary to early reports, this P7 isn't just a style upgrade. It's packing more power than anyone expected. Even the standard version is no slouch. Sitting at the rear is a 363 horsepower electric motor, quietly waiting to launch you into the future. That power is fed by a lithium iron phosphate battery from EV Energy. We don't know the exact capacity yet, but if XPeng's history is any indicator, it's going to be solid. But let's say you're all about range. XPeng's got you covered. There's a long-range version with the same 363 horses, but a larger battery pack, this time using NMC chemistry sourced from Calb. That means more miles, less range anxiety, and the same punchy performance. Still not enough for you? All right, buckle up. The real monster here is the dual-motor version. XPeng has basically taken the already powerful rear motor and added a 223 horsepower unit up front. Do the math, that's 586 horsepower combined. All-wheel drive, instant torque. And let's be honest, that's the kind of power that puts a grin on your face and your body into the seat. And with that much juice, braking matters. That's why the dual-motor variant gets orange Brembo brake calipers, because style and stopping power go hand in hand. But XPeng didn't stop at performance. They've tricked this sedan out with the kind of details you'd normally find in a European supercar. Buyers can choose between 20 and 21-inch wheels, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport EV tires. Sizes? 245 millimeters up front, 275 in the back. Planted and aggressive. And let's not forget those forged carbon fiber accents, from the side mirrors to the flared panels just behind the front wheels. It's subtle flexing, but it works. Let's talk numbers. The new P7 is 197.5 inches long. That's about the size of a BMW 5 Series. Width, 77.5 inches. Height, 56.2. It's low, wide, and ready to cut through the air. The wheelbase is nearly 119 inches, which means a roomy interior and rock-solid stability at speed. And its curb weight, around 4,600 pounds. Not bad for an EV with all that gear on board. Now let's address the elephant in the room. No, it's not coming to the United States. At least not yet. XPeng has made it clear. This beast is a China exclusive for now, and that's a real shame. Because if there was ever a car that could challenge the likes of Tesla or Lucid in the American market, this would be it. But just because we can't buy it doesn't mean we shouldn't be paying attention. This is a signal, a big, bold one. Chinese automakers are no longer just catching up. They're starting to lead. They're not just building budget cars or range-focused EVs. They're creating performance monsters. High tech, high style, high speed. And they're doing it on their own terms. XPeng is proving that innovation doesn't need to come from Silicon Valley. It can come from Guangzhou. And with the P7, they're sending a message. They're not playing catch-up. They're playing to win. So what does this mean for us in the States? It means we need to stay sharp. Because while Xpeng might not have a presence here now, the tides are turning. Chinese EVs are improving fast, like really fast. And it's only a matter of time before someone like Xpeng finds a way into the American market. When they do, you better believe they'll be bringing cars like the P7 to shake up everything we thought we knew. In a world full of electric crossovers and cookie-cutter designs, the Xpeng P7 is a breath of fresh air. It's a sports sedan that looks exotic, drives like a beast, and pushes the boundaries of what an EV can be. Whether or not it ever touches American soil, it's already made an impact. So here's the big question. Is the rest of the world ready for Xpeng? Because ready or not, they're coming. And the P7? That's just the beginning. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Xpeng P7, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Shift Path for more cutting-edge car reviews, and leave a comment below. What do you think of this electric sports sedan from China? Would you buy one if it came to the US? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.